Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Earlier today, I made a video about beveling something and making it the size that you want. So if I bevel this, that's too much. Let's bevel it just 1 inch. And then a viewer subscriber gave me a pretty good tip, because I stated in that video, if you make it smaller, look what it does to bevel. And if you make it too big, the bevel kind of goes away. It's thinner and thinner, and if you go too big, too little, you've got that. Well, he told me a little tidbit, and it surprisingly works. If you will go up here while you've got this selected and turn it, let's kind of look at this. That's a good sharp vector. That's my only concern. If you convert it to a bitmap, I'm going to go ahead and convert it to RGB because that's what I use. It didn't really change it. But what it does do, now that you resize it, it will stay with about a appropriate bevel. So you don't have to, I run into this problem all the time when I'm drawing something, and then I resize it and it changes the bevel. But in this case, you can convert it to a bitmap and it will stay that same. So anyway, I thank that viewer or subscriber and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.